guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm going to try this makeup. I will show you all the steps how to do this Latina makeup. So this makeup is so trending, guys. So I just tried it out, like Latina makeup on brown girls. So do watch this video till the end. And please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Do comment down below if you want more such videos. My skin is glowing these days. My skincare is working. And if you want to know my skincare routine, do comment down. I will make a video on it, basically the proper skincare, what I do every day. Just look at it, how this turned it out. Get started! With all the steps and all the tips and tricks to follow to have the perfect Latina makeup on the skin tone for Indian people. And so I've already prepped my skin. I'm so excited to try this out. Think it might go the best, but if it doesn't, don't feel disappointed. I'm trying for the first time, and still now I don't think I have the perfect eyebrows. So every time I try to do an eyebrow, they now after I started getting my eyebrows done, so they start looking nice now, but not that great like I ever wanted. This is the most important part, as other people also get them done because they think that's the best part, which will make your face look good. But actually, that thing is right. So I'm just going to brush them out. I don't do too much of eyebrows. I do it very lightly. What I am going to do is just take a concealer and just define my eyebrows. Blend that out. So basically the Latina makeup is all about perfect contouring and perfect concealing. Use a full coverage foundation. So I'm going to mask foundation. Just taking it on my back of my hand. Goes to, put it on my face. Sponge. Before that, I'm just going to tie up my hair. It's irritating me while doing the makeup. I usually do, but I forgot to do it, so I'm going to do it now. All the process of blending. Just blend perfectly for that perfect look. Dab, 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 dab motions. You never should go wrong with blending because it will start caking, which, for dry skin people, it's a really big problem, I feel. And I know because even I have a dry skin. I usually dab more than dragging it down. Already spending. So yeah, everything should be blended properly for that flawless matte finish look. We usually have the matte face. I have little pimple marks which are not going, but I can't do it. Just using a lighter shade. Just placing and a little bit on my chin. So I'm going to start blending it out. Because concealer, if you don't blend it correctly, it will start creasing out. But I usually every day use a concealer than a foundation area. I'm done with this part. The same palette, and because it has a contour also. Brush, contour. See, using a contour made my face look so different. That is why to contour my nose, to have the so uh, flattened face and not chubby cheeks like me. The main game is contouring, guys. If you do the perfect contouring, you are just You just won the challenge, I feel. I think the my nose contouring was all done. So, with the setting powder. Light peach blush for that flushed look using an eyeliner. So the next part is ouch! Ting, ting. Oh, ignore my face expressions. Sorry for that. Using my mascara on my lower lashes also. Finish ombre lipstick kind of a thing. So I'm using this lip liner for that. With lip lining, I'm sorry. Let this lipstick dry. Until that, I use a highlighter for that. It's looking like I'm doing a wedding makeup. They use it even on the inner corner. So I think my face. Mm. This is my finished look, guys. Hope you liked it. I love this look. If you liked it, please do like my video, subscribe, and follow me for more such updates.